Meaning of ferrous.
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 ferrous,
Ferrous. The term ferrous refers to objects or materials that contain iron. This includes metals such as steel and cast iron, which are commonly used in construction, manufacturing, and other industries. Ferrous metals are highly valued for their strength and durability, as well as their ability to withstand extreme temperatures and pressures. They are often used in machinery, vehicles, and infrastructure projects. In contrast, non-ferrous metals like aluminum and copper do not contain iron and are prized for their lightweight, corrosion-resistant properties.